we are noting these pay cycles, right? Because this is very important. So these paychecks are going to combine. This is 1 week where it's just one paycheck. This is the paycheck combined. This is the week where there's just one paycheck. And then here is the week where we have both incomes. And we're going to break this down as we do the paydays. But let's go ahead and start with the first paycheck. So this is going to be the paycheck of the 29th and the paycheck of the 2nd. And we have to cover everything from the 29th until the 8th, right? Because that's all of our expenses that come through around this time frame. So we'll go ahead and just highlight this. I'm gonna put this on 1 week, okay? And then on our weeks of, we're gonna put the payday of 4/29 and the payday of 5/2. And this is going to be check number 1 because we're going to do this as a weekly income. So we're going to be bringing in $1,100 and $900, right? Which brings us to $2,000 we're bringing in for this week. Now this is where we go through and decide what bills we're going to have. So what I want to do for this particular budget is split the mortgage into 2 payments. I want to split the mortgage between both of the heavier pay cycles. So what we're going to do for this one, we're going to split the mortgage and we're also going to split the car payment. I want to have those broken down with our 2 higher checks so we have a even pay period. So $1,394 divided by 2 is going to be $697. So for our mortgage, we're going to put $697 towards the mortgage with this check. And the car payment, which is $646 divided by 2, we're going to put $323 to the car payment. Okay. And this is allowing us to have an even split between our bills. The next week, we're only going to be bringing in $900. The next week after that, we're going to be bringing in $2,000. So we always want to split the mortgage and the car payment between those higher weeks. So I'm just going to do an example so you guys can see that broken down. The mortgage, $697, and the car payment, which is going to be $323. That's a nice split, so we're never